How to fix eSewa login problem. Fixing an eSewa login problem often involves resetting your MPIN, clearing app data, or unblocking your account through customer support. Well, first things first, what issue are you facing? During the login, if you're facing the issue of not getting the QR code, or if you're facing a login error, make sure that your internet connection is working fine. If you have turned on or enabled any VPN, you want to toggle that off. Once you have made sure of that, all you gotta do is, if you're not getting the MPIN to log in, if you're not getting the verification code, make sure that you reset your network, toggle on and off airplane mode multiple times, and that should reset and refresh your network. It can also be the app glitch or a bug. So simply reinstall the application if you are using iOS device. If you are using Android, you can clear the cache of your application from your settings. Now, if your account is blocked, or if you try to log in multiple wrong attempts, and if you have lack of KYC, then your account can get blocked or locked temporarily. So in that case, you'll have to contact the eSewa customer support and ask them to help you fix your problem. Hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe.